Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to change out a part. We're going to change out with the East Coast Gear Supply bushing, the 8-inch bushing. So let's get started. So pretty much reasons why you would change out this bushing is because you just lifted your truck, your Toyota, and it can even be at 2 inches high, and that usually causes vibration in the driver's side. Usually around 30 to 40 miles an hour. That's where I'm getting it at, and then it'll kind of dissipate after 50 hours or 50 miles per hour or 60. But yeah, you'll start noticing it around then. So it's kind of like a loud humming. I'll try to get into the CV axle when we get back there and show you, but I kind of moved the CV axle a little bit, and it's got some play in it for sure. So these bushings, pretty much, so instead of like this has a thick sleeve over it, and on the OEM Toyota they have a spider track on it, and so pretty much when you lift your truck, the CV axle on the inside of the front diff is at a downward angle and is putting downward pressure on that bushing. And so it's just constantly rubbing on every single ball bearing. Yeah, so we're going to be replacing it with this, and it's a lot thicker. So videos I've seen of the East Coast Gear Supply bushing is that it rides a lot smoother for one, but there's not a lot of play in the CV axle. So, all right, we're going to start tearing this apart. Take a 35 mil to pop this CV axle bolt loose. I'm going to take a 19 millimeter, take off the tie rod end. You're going to take a 17 mil for the top of the sway bar end link. You're going to take a 19 millimeter socket to the bottoms of the lower ball joints. Alright guys, after a lot of cussing and screaming later, I got the CV axle out. So now I have shoved way back here some paper towels, a paper towel, and then you're going to want that as like a barrier to put your special tool behind. Put this tool in the back of the bearing. This will be interesting. Whoa! All right. Yeah, I don't know where that went. Yeah, this is the OEM Toyota bearing. This is what's causing all the rumbling for my truck after I lifted it. So anyway, I'm freaking over it. Let's get this installed. The guys at East Coast supplied the bushing and the little press. So this has a lip. You see how this is flat? This has a flat surface to it. And then the back has a double-sided thing. You're going to hammer on this, and then basically this is all greased up, whatever, on the inside. So you're going to slide it in on top of the tool. Oh my God, I almost did it backwards. You're going to slide the the flat end on this side, and then you're going to keep the double-sided. This goes towards the inside of the truck. And then you're going to hammer this. So yeah, let's get to it, you guys. When you hammer this in, try to get it as flat as you can. So we're doing a quick test drive just on the road. So far we're up to 50 miles an hour. This is actually pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. Dropping back down to 40. Nothing. No rumbling on the floor. Nothing.